Our purpose here at Diamond C is to fuel the growth and success of our team members, customers, and community. We love when we get a little bit of insight on our trailers out there doing just that. Check out Tevin Hawthorne, an independent hotshotter out of Virginia. He sent us this clip of the things that he really likes about his Fleetneck engineered beam.
What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody having a pretty good day. I'm gonna give y'all a couple reasons why I like my trailer, the things that I like on the trailer. Here's a few things that I like about this trailer. The first thing is gonna be, I like the gas shocks. The gas shocks are really awesome. Another thing that I like on the trailer is the steps. I like how they pop down. You can actually take your foot and push them back up, which is pretty nice. I love the chain rack. The chain rack is pretty awesome. It comes in handy. My other trailer did not have one, so this is pretty awesome. They have a chain rack on the trailer. Another thing I like about the trailer is the sliding winches. This trailer here is a 40-foot trailer. I have, I think it's 10 or maybe 11 sliding winches. Another thing that I like is electric over hydraulic. I literally love the electric over hydraulic. The brakes actually stop a whole lot better than electric brakes. Another thing that I like about the trailer is the 8,000-pound axles. As you can see the disc brakes over there on the other side. So it has disc brakes on this trailer. The last two things I like about this trailer is I love how Diamond C put the latch on here to hold down the ramp, so you don't have to put a strap on it anymore. The only thing you gotta do is just latch it and be good to go. Last but not least, the max ramps are literally the best thing ever. You can pick them up with one hand, you can put them back down with one hand. That's pretty much what I like about my Diamond C trailer. Like I said, this trailer here is a 40-footer, and I literally love this trailer. Y'all have a good day.
Big shout out to Tevin for hooking us up with this clip. If you'd like to follow Tevin, jump on YouTube, subscribe to his channel at VA Hotshot. If you'd like a chance to be featured like this, send us a clip of what you like the most about your Diamond C. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all of our latest videos, and we'll see you on the road.